What's up guys, how you doing? So today we're going in a car meet so we would see Lamborghinis, all those stuff. So we're going right now, so I'm gonna see you there. We're just walking and revving. Someone's revving their car, like I don't know what's happening. Alright, so they're revving, I'm gonna come and I'm going, alright? So I'm just gonna come in a little bit. So look, there's so many people are revving it, so oh my god, there's so many cars. I literally saw a McLaren S20, oh my god. Corvette, bro, that's crazy. Oh my god, guys, Lamborghini. That's crazy. Crazy Lamborghini. So we just came, there's so many cars around. So let me just show it to you. Oh my god. Yo, people are like waiting over here to see the cars. That's so cool. Damn. That hits hard. Yo! Hey! That's cool. Oh my god, guys, that was so loud. Ain't no way. That was so crazy. That's crazy. Whoa, that's crazy. Guys, we came so late, honestly. The reason why they're going is like they closed. Like, they're about to go now. The car meet's like almost over. Whoa, that's so cool. What's this? It's a literal McLaren. I want McLaren. That's crazy. Look at the side. That's crazy. I can't even see it. Boom. Yes, sir. Look at this. Crazy hood. Look at this car. Flame out fires. Crazy. Look at this. Look at the bikes. They're actually about to close. That's crazy. Bro was revving that thing. Smokes was coming. That was crazy. Honestly, that was crazy. Damn, that's cool. Look at these. That's crazy. There's so many motorcycles. Crazy. We'll never ride along that. That's cool. Hey, come here. There's some merchandise. Wow. Guys, someone literally bought a car and this happened. This horn, whoever buys a car, the horn would come. And it's like scared me. I didn't even know that. Look at those fire things. So fire. This car, wow. Thanks for watching my videos. I appreciate it so much. So I'm Super and I'm out. Peace.